Hi, this is Ed Duclos, Tech Content Coach, South Windsor School District. This video will show you how to make whiteboard videos. It's going to be using Flipgrid. This is the second part of the series on whiteboard videos. Again, this is based on Richard Burns, the creator of Free Tech for Teachers, okay, a blog that he put out. So thanks to him for the inspiration to do this. Flipgrid. All right, first of all, that may be new to some of you. So if you go to our Debbie's and my EdTech resources and you come down the chart, you're going to see over here, flipping the classroom, you're going to see Flipgrid. Students are able to explain their learning, and students can also give feedback to one another. A little side note, we were talking in the in-crew meeting back in March about how can we collaborate, have the students collaborate in distance learning, and that this is one of the go-tos for that. So anyway, you would get a lot more information here on Flipgrid, but we're just going to focus on one thing. So let me go to my Flipgrid account. And when you go into flipgrid.com, you're going to go sign in with your Google login, and you're going to choose your apps account. Now, I'm not going to go through all the features in Flipgrid. I'm just going to go and get to the relatively new feature, which is their whiteboard. All right. Now, I can go ahead and I can create the video very simply by going to Shorts. And when I click on Shorts, I can come here to record a short. Now, a short is just a 3-minute or less video. And when it gets called up, it's going to have my camera and my microphone all set up as well. Now, you do not use Screencastify. Everything is built in Flipgrid within Flipgrids here. Sorry if that's a little confusing, because you'll see that Screencastify is running on the outside. We'll get rid of that. All right, so there we go. So now I've got my webcam live and ready to record. Now, at this point, what I can do is I can go ahead and do everything Screencastify-like. Okay, so I can start to record. Gives me that countdown. And now it's recording the video, okay? But what I want to show you is coming in here to this icon, the whiteboard. And then what I can come over here is hover, and then I click on it. So now it's going to give me that white screen right there, okay? And I'm going ahead and decide what color and everything. I guess I'll go blue. And then again, I've got that touch screen. I'm not using the touchscreen again. I'm having some technical difficulties with my touchscreen, so turn that off. A little clunky here by using the mouse, but a lot easier with a touchscreen. And we're good to go. All right, now you can see it's been recording. It gives me the count right over here on there. Oh, it's 10 minutes. I always thought it was 3. Anyway, at this point, if I'm good to go, it has recorded my voice and everything I was doing on the screen, and then I can go ahead and I can stop the recording. Now, stopping the recording, I can then choose to redo that, or I can come right over here to next. And then what it's going to allow me to do at this point, so now it's going to give me the white screen, okay, and I can go ahead and I can decide what color and everything. I guess I'll go blue. And then again, I've got that touch screen. I'm not using the touch screen again. I'm having some technical difficulties with my touch screen, so turn that off. A little clunky here by using the mouse, but a lot easier with the touch screen. And we're good to go. Right now, you can see it's been recording. It gives me the count right over here on there. Oh, so 10 minutes now. And now it's recording the video, okay? Now, at this point, what I can do is I can come over here, go next, and then I can take that selfie, which is going to be the thumbnail. It's going to be the thing that's set up. So I just give a little smile, take it. Not much of a smile there. All right. And then, I can go ahead and I can goof around with it. I can, let's see. I can click on and I can get some stickers I can put on and things like that. We'll forego that at this point. And then I'm going to go next. And once it calls it up, a little slow here. There it goes. The nice thing about this now is that when I have this sitting here in the tab that's called Shorts, I can now click on that and I can go ahead and do just about anything I want with this. I can get a link and I can put that anywhere that I would like. I could download it myself. I could get the embed code. And for us, I could go right to Shared Classroom. Makes it nice and simple, everything under one umbrella, and then choose the class, etc. So a nice new feature, relatively new feature in Flipgrid, a way to make whiteboard videos. Hope this has been helpful. Have a great day.